Good morning, good evening students. Today we are going to learn about how the plant obtain carbon dioxide. In previous class we already learned about photosynthesis reaction. So what basically photosynthesis reaction is, that plant need carbon dioxide from atmosphere, plant need water from root for the preparation of their food, that is glucose. So one point is this, that how the plant obtain carbon dioxide from atmosphere. What is there in leaf, what is there in plant through which plant obtain carbon dioxide for photosynthesis process. So this we are going to learn about in our today class. Okay. So on the surface of the leaf, this one is the structure of the leaf. So on the surface of the leaf, these two are called guard cells. Okay, and this is whole is called as stomata. Right, now let's begin. On the surface of the leaf, tiny pores are there, and these tiny pores are called as stomata. See, these small pores are there on the surface of the leaf. These are called as stomata. Now these stomata, or we can say stomatal pores, okay, they are surrounded by a pair of guard cells. So these two beans like structure called as guard cell. Okay, so stomata pore, this stomata pore is surrounded by pair of guard cell, pair of beam shaped cell which is called guard cell. Okay, now these two guard cells control closing and opening of stomata. How it control closing and opening of stomata? It means how guard cells open the stomata, how guard cell close the stomata. So let's see, this one is the structure of opening stomata, and this one is the structure of closing stomata. Okay, stomata open, stomata close. Now how the guard cell open the stomata? See, as the water fills into the guard cells, ठीक है, जैसे वाटर गार्ड सेल में फिल होता है, सो क्या होगा, जब भी वाटर बीन्स में फिल होता है तो क्या होता है, दे swell up. Okay, so as the water fill in this cell, in guard cell, then guard cell swell and become curved. Okay, and become curved. So when water fill in guard cell, the guard cell become curved. This indicate that stomata open. Okay, when this guard cell loses water, come here. When this guard cell loses water, then this guard cell become shrink. Okay, so when it get shrink, then it become straight. Okay, so when guard cell lose water, these guard cell get shrink and become straight. So this one is straight stomata. Straight stomata, it means what? Oh, sorry. Guard cell is straight. It means what? Stomata is closed. And here stomata swell up. Okay. It means what? Stomata open. Here the guard cell swell up. It means stomata open. Here the guard cell gets straight. Why? Because of loss of water. Okay. Loss of water. The guard cell become straight. Okay. So this indicates stomata close. And when it swell up, when guard cell swell up, it means stomata open. So guard cell swell up, stomata open. Guard cell shrink, stomata close. When it get open, when water fill in guard cell. When it gets shrink, when water loses, water goes out from the stomata. Okay. So this is all about opening and closing of stomata. Now what happened? Why it is needed opening and closing of stomata? Why it is needed? Because of gaseous exchange. Okay, so this one is the stomata which is present on the leaf surface. So in leaf surface, chloroplast is there. As we learned in our last class that chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. It means what? Here plant need, okay, here plant need water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide come in surface of the leaf through these stomatal pores. Okay, so when water fill in stomata pore, then guard cell become swell up, okay, and allow oxygen move in. Okay, now during photosynthesis reaction, oxygen will form. Now this oxygen get moved out. Why? Because oxygen act as a waste product for plant. So it moves out and carbon dioxide moves in when stomata get open. Okay, is that clear? Now the next one. So how the plant obtain carbon dioxide? By opening and closing of stomata. तो जब स्टोमेटा ओपन होता है तो गार्ड सेल्स जब स्टोमेटा ओपन होता है तो जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो कहाँ जाती है, लीफ में जाती है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर प्लांट सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड इन लीफ. ओके, नाउ सम important pointers there, that some plants having broad leaf, some plants having narrow leaf. Okay, so plants having broad leaf, mainly in these plants, in these leaves especially, stomata present in lower surface. Okay, and in narrow leaf stomata present equal on both the side of this sign indicate equal. Okay, on upper surface and on lower surface equally distributed on both the side, but in broad leaf lower side stomata is present. Okay, the next one is green stems. Green stems also contain stomata. So if stomata is there in green stem, what does indicate? If stomata is there, it means gaseous exchange will take place. If gaseous exchange take place, it means what? CO2 is available in green stem. If CO2 is available in green stem, then water is there through root. Okay, so with the help of CO2 and water, green stems carry out photosynthesis reaction. It means green stem also prepare their own food. Okay, so this one is the important point. And the last one is aquatic plant. Okay, so aquatic plant, how the aquatic plant carry out photosynthesis reaction? These are plants, so they must carry out photosynthesis for preparation of their food. But how they get carbon dioxide? They get carbon dioxide from water, which is present in water. Okay, so aquatic plant utilize CO2 present in water. So this is all about how the plant obtain carbon dioxide. These two are the guard cells and this whole structure is called as stomata. Here the stomata is open and in this structure stomata is closed. I'm going to divide this leaf into two parts. In first structure stomata is open and the second one is stomata closed. I hope you all understand each concept about opening and closing of stomata, gaseous exchange. Thank you. Have a nice day.